My name is Molly and I'm the station coordinator for Radio Platform here at the factory in Porth. The radio station here is the sister station for the one that we have at the Wales Millennium Centre in Cardiff Bay. So the whole idea of Radio Platform is that it's a project led by young people for young people. So what we do here is that we run intensive weekend training courses and we train them up in presenting, producing, and eventually the whole idea is that they become completely independent. They're able to run their own shows, use our systems, and it just gives them that sense of creativity, and that's really important for somewhere like the Valleys. So our studio here is fully kitted out like the one in Cardiff. We have our speakers up on the wall. We have a record. We did have more, I don't know where they've gone. This is our desk. It's a lovely little air-light desk. This is the system that we use. It's called Myriad. And what you can see here is our audio wall, and it's full of rock music, courtesy of one of our young people, Doozy. And yeah, we've just had some new furniture and chairs. So yeah, we're all kitted out and ready to go.